click on start. In search, type CMD. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is command. First copy and just control V and then hit enter. Now verifications start completed, so it will take some time. If it is stuck now, so you have to just hit enter, so it will start continue. Any percentage like 60% is stuck, it's not continued, so just select here and then hit enter. So you can see first SFC scan, now it's completed. Then second one, so just copy and type and control V, after that hit enter. So no command is detected. Okay, now third, control V, ScanHealth, just hit enter. It will also start. Yeah, you can see when it is processing, and like you can see it is running percentage, so do not click anywhere, you have to wait. So you can see it is completed 100%. Now last, restore health. Copy, control V and hit enter. And this command I will give in the description, so you can copy paste from there. Guys, if you are doing some issue resolve, it is not resolving the issue, you can check the descriptions. We have Google forms, so you just fill out, my teams will contact you. Now this is the 100% completed and successfully operation completed